What's going on, everyone? Today is the 21st of May 2023. Let's get this video started because there's a company, Sanitment, that is saying that Bitcoin is about to bounce and go higher. Now, we're going to look at this article from the Daily Hodl and see what exactly are they talking about. What indicator are they trying to say that Bitcoin is about to go higher? Because you guys can see from my chart that we're looking differently. We're looking for price in Bitcoin to go actually lower. So let's see. Here's the article right here. It's produced on May the 20th, 2023, just yesterday. You guys can see that Sanitment says that Bitcoin bullish metric is flashing green. It's an analytical firm. Okay, cool. Let's see. I went through already and highlighted some of the things that Sanitment is saying as to why Bitcoin is going to bounce and go higher. You can see one of them right here is fear. One of the primary signs of fear is when the top trending crypto keywords are almost all related to hardware, wallets, and security. People are nervous. We saw similar safety concerns from traders in November 2022 after the FTX collapse. That marked a market bottom. Okay, so they're trying to say from their processes, their software is saying that many people are searching for keywords pertaining to security, hardware, software for their wallets. Okay, cool. The last time that they happened, they're trying to say when FTX collapsed, that marked the bottom. So they're trying to say that this could possibly be the bottom for Bitcoin. Here's another one. The amount of chatter on social media about the crypto king has picked up, which is another signal that indicates Bitcoin may bounce in the near term. Now, just because you see an increase in Bitcoin being talked about on social media doesn't mean that people are becoming more bullish. It could be that more people are becoming more nervous and fearful and could possibly induce people not to come in and buy Bitcoin. But to them, more talk about a cryptocurrency means that price obviously is going to go up. With Bitcoin revisiting the $26,000 level, traders are showing increased worries of prices falling back to $20,000 to $25,000 range. Bitcoin's social dominance has jumped high again, typically a sign of fear. Fear signals increase the probability of a rebound. So pretty much their indicator is fear. They're looking for fear. And when fear increases to them, that marks the bottom. Okay, maybe so. They're looking for a near-term bounce. Now, when we look at the price chart, where we get our analytical information from, you guys can see that Bitcoin is losing out on that interest and demand. We're not seeing what Sanitment is talking about in terms of seeing a bounce. One of the negative things that I can see on this chart already that I'm here to tell you was Bitcoin's inability to break above this area here. It would have been great for us to have seen Bitcoin right there on May the 15th break above, what's this, around $27,650. That would have been great. So it failed right there on May 15th, and then it attempted again on the 17th of May. And take a look at the price action since then. It is still failing. The market is failing to bring in buyers. This is what it represents. So until Bitcoin trades above $27,650, we are leaning more towards a higher probability of looking for Bitcoin to go lower. I mean, we're already here now. We are already seeing our price prediction bring in some profit right there, 2.5%. If you were to get out the market right now with Bitcoin, we're up 2.5% right now. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and take a look at a different time frame for Bitcoin. Here's Bitcoin on the 2-day chart. Okay. So am I saying that Bitcoin is going to crash? No. What I am saying is that the market currently doesn't look bullish. Currently, it doesn't want to go up. Take a look at this on the 3-day chart. We have 6 hours and 18 minutes currently on this 3-day price bar. So again, anything can happen. But currently, by us seeing price close off the highs of this current 3-day price bar, it lets us know that Bitcoin currently is not showing any indicators of bullishness. Here it is on the 5. Okay, here it is on the weekly. And I don't like the weekly chart neither. It kind of looks just like the 3-day price bar. Take a look at that. Okay. Here it is on the 2. We still have 6 hours here on a 2-weekly chart for Bitcoin to complete, but it doesn't look all that bullish. Take a look, it's on the 3. Here it is on the 5. Okay, so the only thing that's really keeping Bitcoin price propped up is down here around $25,300. That's the only thing. So given that this is the 5-weekly chart, I want you all to see how the volume from the prior 5 weeks to this current one still is pretty high, but the spread of this current 5-weekly price bar is not that wide. That tells us that buyers are currently entering the market in Bitcoin. This could be where we see price in Bitcoin bounce, not necessarily because people are fearful, not necessarily because people are increasing their talk about Bitcoin, but because the market came in and held support at $25,000. That's it. Okay, that's it. So let me look at this on a 7-hour chart. Okay, now I do think that price in Bitcoin is gearing up for a move higher, and I'm going to tell you why. So here's the 7-hour chart, right? This bar right here is weakness. Okay, you would expect off of this up fake bar to see price go down. Did it go down? No, it didn't. Okay, let's look at Bitcoin on a 5-hour. You don't see any indication that the market is really in a hurry to go lower. Not on the 5-hour, even here on the 3. Take a look at this on the 3. So right here on this 3-hour price bar, like I said, this is an indicator of weakness, push to go down. You would expect the market in Bitcoin to continue to go lower from there, but instead it caught support right down here around $26,400, and since then it's been going higher. Take a look at this 3-hour price bar, another indicator push to go down. But the market is not going down. It's went back up on the next 3 hours. The buyers are coming into the market in Bitcoin now. Okay. Here it is on the 13-hour chart. Let's look at this on 11. Let's look at this one on the 15. Okay. So, what do you think? Do you think the price in Bitcoin is still weak? Or do you think price is about to go higher? We're going to play the market to the upside in Bitcoin. So what we're going to do, we're going to get rid of this price prediction now. Like I said, that's around 2.5% profit right there, 2.37. We'll take it because now we're going to flip and follow the market to the upside. Okay. Now, as long as Bitcoin's price, like I said, holds right around 25,000, we're going to look for the market in Bitcoin to give us continued strength and the ability to go higher. Okay. Now, I want you all to understand that I've already told you early in the video that 27,650 is resistance. So that's going to be one of our first targets. I'm just going to tell you that straight. That's only 2.7%. But if we see another influx of selling occur around 27,650, we need to get out the way because the market's not going to go no higher than that. Okay. So that's our first target. The second target for Bitcoin is going to be around 28,450. Okay. That's 5.6%. You guys can see it there. 28,450, 437. Okay. And then the third one's going to be 29, 7.65%. Right there around $29,000. So I am done. Like I said, I'm not really looking for too much, but it's great for us to have seen, for one, Bitcoin holding price above $25,000. Two, we've seen indicators of weakness on the charts, but the market is not following that indicator, which clearly tells you that the market is doing opposite. So that's why we're looking for price in Bitcoin to initially go higher. Now, I'm not massively bullish, so We'll just see how high price goes, one of those 3 targets which I mentioned, and we'll play it from there. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.